Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix an inactive games account on your PC. Let's get started. First, open a web browser and go to Epic Game website. Try logging in with your email and password. Make sure you are using the correct email linked to your Epic Game account. Check for typos or extra space. If you can't log in, click forget password, enter your account email and Epic Games will send a password reset email. Follow the instruction in the email to reset your password. After resetting your password, log in again. This often reactivates inactive account automatically. If your account is still inactive, check your email for Epic Games message. Sometimes Epic sends a notice about inactivity or required verification. Follow an instruction in those emails to reactivate your account. And that's it. Try logging in, reset your password if needed, check emails and contact Epic Games support if your account remain inactive. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.